Could I just ask one very quick clarifying question? I think it will be several months if we wait until an election. It was stated that it would be until August. I just wanted to clarify, maybe Dave Holmquist could answer the question. If a special election, wow. If a special, I have a baby, so it's a little hard. I can't squish him. If a special election is held in March and May, wouldn't that person take office immediately after being elected in May?
Yes, that's my understanding, after being sworn in.
That was all.
Wait a minute. I have to take issue with it because what the clerk said, the day after the election, you don't take office. The election has to be certified. That's right. Because the absentee ballots and all, it takes a while to have to count. So a couple more weeks have to go by. It's not the day after.
30 days.
There you go. Okay. All right.
Not August, it's June.
Well, okay.